Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with us. Today, we will talk about something very important in daily life. We will talk about your job and your daily work. Many learners feel shy when they talk about their work in English. But your job is part of your story, and you can talk about it in simple English. No big grammar, just clear words.
Yes, this lesson will help you speak with confidence. You do not need difficult sentences. You only need simple and slow English. Today we will practice together, step by step.
People often ask, "What do you do?" and "Where do you work?" These are very common questions. You can hear them at work, in meetings, or when you meet new people. If you feel nervous, you may not know what to say. Today, we will change that feeling.
Talking about your job helps you connect with people. It helps others understand your daily life, and it makes conversation easy. Also, everyone loves to talk about their work a little. Even when they say, "I am very busy."
Today, you will learn 4 main things. First, how to say your job in simple English. Second, how to talk about your daily work. Third, how to ask others about their jobs. And fourth, how to make a short conversation.
We will practice slow speaking. We will practice questions and answers. We will practice confident sentences. And we will practice real examples.
Let's start with simple sentences about your job. Repeat after me slowly. I'm a teacher. Repeat. I work in an office. Repeat. I work in a shop. Repeat. I work at home. Repeat. You can change these words for your job.
These sentences are easy and strong. You can say, your own job. Speak slowly and clearly. Short sentences are perfect.
Now let us talk about your daily work. Repeat after me. I start work in the morning. Repeat. I talk to people at work. Repeat. I use a computer. Repeat. I help customers. Repeat.
These sentences are very useful. They describe your day. Simple words are best. No long stories yet.
Let us learn some describing words. You can say, my job is busy. My job is interesting. My job is hard. My job is easy.
These words help people understand your work. Choose 2 or 3 words only. That is enough. Do not write a book about your job.
Now let us practice questions. Repeat slowly. What do you do? Repeat. Where do you work? Repeat. Do you like your job? Repeat. What do you do every day? Repeat.
These questions are friendly. They start conversations easily. Smile and ask slowly. People like to talk about their work.
Now let us practice answers. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. I like my job. I help people every day.
You can change these answers. Use your own job and work. Keep it simple. Keep it slow.
Now listen to a short conversation. Hello, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work in a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
What do you do every day?
I teach students every day.
Many learners feel shy to talk about their work. They think their English is not good. But your job is important. Your work is part of your life. You can speak with pride.
Confidence grows with practice. Speak 1 sentence today. Speak 2 sentences tomorrow. Slowly, you become strong.
Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you meet a new person. They ask about your job. You smile and answer calmly. Your voice is slow and clear.
The other person listens to you. They understand you. You feel proud. This feeling is confidence.
Practice at home every day. Say 3 sentences about your job. Say 3 sentences about your daily work. Use a mirror or your phone.
Do not rush. Speak slowly. Smile when you speak. This helps your brain relax.
Now we will continue with more practice. We will learn longer conversations and fun speaking activities.
Let's keep going together. You are doing great.
Now let us practice a real situation. Imagine you meet a new person. They ask about your job. Speak slowly and clearly.
Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak calmly. Simple English is good English. Let's try together.
Listen to this example. Hello, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work in a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. I drink coffee every day at work.
Now imagine a work situation. You talk to a colleague. You speak about your daily work. Keep your voice calm. Listen carefully.
Work conversations are very common. They help you make friends, and they build confidence, even when work is busy.
Hello, how is your day?
I am busy today.
What do you do today? Are you busy at work? Do you like your work today?
I work with customers, but I like my job. It is interesting.
Now let us add more description. You can talk about time. You can talk about people. You can talk about tasks. Use easy words.
For example, you can say, I work in the morning. I talk to many people. I use a computer. And I drink coffee.
Try to use 2 or 3 ideas only. Do not make long sentences. Keep your English simple. Simple English is clear English.
Clear English is confident English. You are doing very well. Keep going. We are proud of you.
Now, let's practice more questions. These questions help you continue the conversation. Repeat slowly after me. What do you do every day? Repeat. Is your job busy? Repeat.
These questions show interest. People like to answer them. Ask with a smile. Work stories are funny sometimes.
Do you work in an office? Repeat. Do you work at home? Repeat. Do you like your job? Repeat.
These are friendly questions. They keep the talk going, and they build connection.
Now it is your turn to practice. Speak with us slowly. Do not rush. Copy our voices.
Ready? Let's begin. Speak together.
I'm teacher.
I am a teacher.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I like my job.
I like my job.
I help people every day.
I help people every day.
Let us have a fun moment. Fast speaking versus slow speaking. Which one sounds better? Slow speaking.
Slow speaking sounds calm. Fast speaking sounds nervous. Slow is better. Always remember that.
Repeat slowly with me. I love my job. Repeat. I work every day. Repeat.
That sounds strong. Very strong. Good job.
Now, let us talk to ourselves. This is self-talk. Say these sentences quietly or loudly. They will help your confidence.
Self-talk is powerful. It changes your thinking. Try it every day.
I can talk about my job. I can talk about my daily work. My English is improving. I'm confident. Here is a simple daily plan. Only 5 minutes a day. 1 minute job sentences. 1 minute daily work sentences. 1 minute questions.
1 minute answers. 1 minute self-talk. That is enough. Small steps work.
Do this every day. Your confidence will grow, slowly and naturally.
Practice is the key. You are learning. Keep going.
Now listen to a confident conversation. Hello, what do you do? Where do you work? Do you like your job?
I am a teacher. I work in an office. I like my job. I help people every day.
Think about today's lesson. What did you learn? Did you feel more confident? Did you speak slowly?
These questions help you grow. Learning is a journey, step by step.
Be proud of yourself. You are learning English, and you are doing great.
We believe in you. Always.
Remember, Your job is part of your story. Your daily work is important. You can talk about it with confidence. Simple English is enough.
Slow English is strong English. Clear English is confident English. Do not fear mistakes. Learn from them.
Thank you for learning with us today. Practice talking about your job and daily work. Speak slowly and smile.
Subscribe to Learn English with us. Practice a little every day. Confidence will grow.
We believe in you. See you next episode. Bye.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.